Hello everyone, welcome to Shekhar's history classes. As part of history map series, we are continuing ancient capitals. Next capital is Vaishali. Vaishali acted as a capital of Magadha Mahajanapada for some time period, but mostly it is the administrative capital of Vajji Confederacy. Vajji Confederacy is a Ganasangha, republic type of governance was there in Vajji Confederacy. Vajji Confederacy was a group of 8 different clans, Attakula. This is also associated with Vardhaman Mahavira. Vardhaman Mahavira born in Kundagrama near to Vaishali. If you see the places of Buddha and Mahavira, Takya clan, it is the place where Buddha was born. Near Vaishali, it is the place where Vardhaman Mahavira was born. And if you see the chronological order, if we see chronologically, if we go to like 540s BCE, 530 BCE, that means we are in 6th century BCE. During this time period, Bimbisara was the king of Magadha Mahajanapada. Magadha wanted to conquer various kingdoms, neighboring kingdoms. He also wanted to integrate even Vajji Confederacy also, but through matrimonial relationship, he tried to maintain that relationship. But later, when Ajatashatru came, Bimbisara and Ajatashatru belonged to Haryanka dynasty, Magadha Mahajanapada. Rajgir was the capital. Rajgir wanted to capture Vaishali. Vaishali is the capital of Vajji Confederacy. Vajji Confederacy. And Confederacy means it is a combination of 8 clans. One of these 8 clans was Lichchavis and Gnetrikas. Lichchavis. And in fact, out of these 8 clans, Lichchavis were leaders. Lichchavis, in fact, Vaishali is the capital of Lichchavis clan. It became capital of entire Vajji Confederacy also. One more clan was Netrika clan. And this is the clan in which Mahavira was born. Mahavira. Now remember different dimensions. Bimbisara, Ajatashatru wanted to capture Vaishali. They wanted to, because they are imperialist in nature, they wanted to expand their empire. They wanted to capture Vaishali. Through matrimonial relationship, Bimbisara maintained close contacts with the Vajji Confederacy, whereas Ajatashatru outrightly conquered. In fact, Bimbisara married Mahavira, and Bimbisara also family-wise having close relationship. That is how Mahavira and Bimbisara have relationship. And this is political and this is a religious significance. See the timeline. Then you will understand the relationship between Magadha and or simply Rajgir. Consider this is Rajgir, capital of Haryanka dynasty, Magadha Mahajanapada. Magadha is monarchy, whereas this is Ghanasangha. So this is monarchy and this is republic. See the difference in political system also. Remember religious aspect, political aspect. Whereas Ajatashatru conquered through military conquest. But he allowed Vaishali to continue as the capital of Vajji Confederacy. Lichchavis continued to hold it. Later, Rajgir gave way to Pataliputra. Pataliputra became capital and it continued to be the capital. Now here, interesting element here, one more thing developed. During the time period of Shishunaga dynasty, Bimbisara Ajatashatru belonged to Haryanka dynasty. Haryanka dynasty conquered. Shishunaga dynasty made Vaishali as the capital. Here the interesting element. Shishunaga dynasty, Kala Ashoka made this as imperial capital of Magadha Mahajanapada. But later again they shifted to Patliputra. So if you see Magadha condition, Rajgir was the capital. For some time Vaishali is the capital, and again Patliputra became the capital. But throughout the process, it is the capital of Lichchavis. It is the capital of Vajji Confederacy. Now when Kala Ashoka was king of Shishunaga dynasty of Magadha, here second Buddhist council was held. That is why Vaishali is important for Jainism also. It is important for Buddhism also. So multiple things are there. UPSC can ask in multiple angles. A Buddhist site, Vaishali come. Jainism site, Vaishali will come. Capital of Magadha Mahajanapada, it will come. Capital of Lichchavis, same site. Capital of Vajji Confederacy, same site. You see how many angles it can be asked. This is how religious dimension, this is what political dimension. And it continued to flourish under Lichchavis. In fact, till the time period of Guptas, Vaishali was relevant in Indian politics. And in fact, Guptas also, Vaishali belonged to Lichchavis. Lichchavis were Kshatriya clan. Guptas were trading class. That means Vaishya. In order to improve their social status, Chandragupta I married a princess from Lichchavis. And in fact, that relationship was highlighted by Guptas even by giving coins also. Chandragupta and his queen coins were also there during Gupta time period. So it shows how important Vaishali till the period of Guptas. Alright, remember this because Vaishali is a very important center religiously also, as well as religious wise also, religion wise also, at the same time politically also. But multiple dynasties are involved here. Magadha dynasty also used Vaishali as the capital for some time period. And who was the ruler? Kala Ashoka. During that time period, Vaishali was the capital. But which is the dynasty? Shishunaga dynasty. Kingdom, Magadha kingdom. During his time period, second Buddhist council was also held. That means it is an important center of Buddhism. But traditionally, before these developments have taken place, traditionally, it is the capital of Lichchavis Republic, Lichchavis clan, Vajji Republic. And this is the place where Mahavira also born. That is why it is equally important for Jainism also. It continued to be there till Gupta's time period. And after Gupta's also, Chandragupta I, he married a princess from Lichchavis to raise the status of his kingdom. So that is how Vaishali is going to play very important role in Indian politics, politically as well as religion wise also. It is very important center. And where it is located? It is located in present day Bihar. This is the location. All right. Thank you.